Yeah, good morning students. One more video for your GK. Yeah, so watch the video properly and it is very interesting chapters. But for some chapters, that is chapter number, for chapter number 34, 35, 40 and 42. For that chapters, I will send the PDFs. So watch the videos properly and complete your textbooks. Okay? So let's start the video. Yes students, so this is chapter number 33, water on the earth. So what you have to do in this chapter, water is found in many places on the earth. So read the lines and write the name of the form of water. Means this form of water you have to write. Yeah, there are lots of form of waters like snow, dew. Dew means in the morning you can see a small drops on the grass. So that is called dew. Snow means you all know that what is snow. It is like a ice, cotton ice, na? Then water form you all know that. Then waterfalls. Then rain. Okay, so you have to identify the picture and write the form of the water. So in first, bigger than the sea. So what is that? That is ocean. Ocean is bigger than the sea. A white blanket of light flecks. White blanket means that is snow, because snow covered the mountains and it looked like a white blanket on the mountain. Third one, a body of water flowing into the sea. Yeah, that is river. It is very small, a small place where you can get the water. So it is a pond, and in pond you can see fish and frogs. Yeah, we all know that. We all have seen a waterfall. Now drops of water on leaves, flowers on grass. See, small drops. That is called dew. Small rocks of ice falling from the sky. That is hail. You have seen a small ice pieces like a stones. Yes, na? So falling from the sky, it is called hail. And last is, it is bigger than the pond. So it is a lake. Now fun fact, a large part of the earth is covered with water. Therefore the earth is called a blue planet. Why earth is called blue planet? Because most of part of the earth is covered with water. That's why the earth color is blue. Yeah, so this is chapter number 36. I have sent it chapter number 34 and 35 PDF. Okay, so video for chapter number 36. In this chapter, what you have to do, write the name of the part of the computer or the type of computers. All you need to do is write the name of the thing. See, that things you can see, these are clues. So you have to identify the clues. You have to add some letters like that, and you have to subtract the letters and make a answer. Okay, so first one, a device used to move a cursor. So that is mouse. Why mouse? Because this clue, this is a house minus H. What is the spelling of house? House. So you have to minus H and plus M. Means you have to use M instead of H. So it will become mouse, because we subtract H and we add M. A small screen bigger than a phone and smaller than a computer. That is table, LE minus. Okay, so what is the spelling? TABLE. So you have to minus LE. And what you have to add? This is letter. Letter, but you have to minus TER, means LE. You have to use LET. So what will be the spelling? TABLET. A part of computer used for typing. Keyboard. No addition, no subtraction. An object used to charge a laptop or keep a computer plugged in. Power. Add C. Table minus T. Power. Cable. And you have to minus T. So it will become C. A type of computer we can carry around. Laptop. Minus C. This is clap. Clap में से you have to minus C. So this will become LAP. C we will minus. CLAP. C will minus. That will become lap and top. A type of computer kept on a table. Desktop. A part of computer found inside it. Motherboard. Very nice clues, na? A part of computer on which we see picture or text. Money, but you have to minus EY. The spelling MONEY. EY you have to minus. So it will become MON. Torch. TORCH you have to minus. So MONITOR. Monitor. Okay. In this chapter, musical instruments are there. So you have to write that you will blow the instrument, you will beat the instrument, or you will pluck the instrument. Pluck means like a guitar. We will pluck the strings, na? So that is plucking. Tabla, we will beat it. And blow means like flute, na? Flute, we will blow it. Means we will pass the air from the mouth. It is called blowing. So you have to write that you will pluck, blow or beat. So first one is sitar. There are the strings. You will pluck it. Trumpet, you will blow it. Tabla, you will beat it. Saxophone, you will blow it. Drum, you will beat it. Again, veena, you will pluck it. If you will see that strings in any musical instrument, so you will write pluck. Flute, blow. Mridgam, beat. Guitar, pluck. Shehnai, blow. Kanjira, beat. And sarod, pluck. Okay. Now in this chapter you have to mix the colors. Okay. Red, blue and yellow are called primary colors. These three colors are primary colors. We can arrange them on the color wheel. Mixing two primary colors give us a secondary color. If we will mix the colors like blue and yellow we will mix, we will get green. Red and blue you will mix, you will get purple. Red and yellow you will mix, you will get orange. So these colors are secondary colors. These colors are primary colors. So now you have to write here, if you will mix red and blue, so you will get purple. If you will mix blue and yellow, you will get green. If you will mix yellow and red, you will get orange. Now in this chapter 39, look at these containers. What would you fill them with? Draw a line to join the container to the correct answer. First one is glass. We will fill it with milk. Second one is can. So we will fill it with petrol. Cup, we will fill it with tea. Spoon, we will fill it with syrup. And bucket, we will fill it with water. Okay, we cannot fill the spoon with petrol. We cannot fill bucket with milk. We cannot fill bucket with syrup. So you have to choose the correct answers. Okay. Again, for chapter number 40, I have sent a PDF. This is very interesting. You have to do it yourself. Now, chapter number 41, in which what you have to do, take the correct picture to match the shadow. There are shadows and you have to identify which shadow it is. So you can see that image, na? It is looking like this. So this is the correct answer. This. So there are two options. So you can identify easily that this is a shadow of this. So tick that. Same, this is a shadow of this. This is the shadow of this. You can easily identify that, na? So you have to tick that. Yeah, so this is your last chapter. Again, I have sent a PDF for that. But don't see that PDF. Try to do it yourself. You have to find out the difference between that two pictures and what is the difference. You have to circle that. So do it yourself. Okay, so students, your GK portion is completed. I have sent 2-3 videos. Watch it and some PDFs. So also do that PDFs and complete your textbook. Yeah, so you enjoy the video, students. So complete your textbook and bye.